Today we are going to check a wind solar charge controller. Yeah, it's a combination of solar charge controller and wind turbine charge controller. Wind and solar can work together or separately to send the power. We can see that the packaging is well designed and well packed with very thick foam. The user manuals. Now is the controller. In today, we have the 600 watts model. It's able to handle 600 watts solar panel input plus a 600 watts wind turbine input together. Now is the dump loader. It helps the controller keep working when there is no wind power inputs. And keep the controller safe. The controller's terminal part.